Hello, in front of me I've got tablet Thomson TO13P. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and now search for Files app. If you don't have it, download it from Play Store. Now enter this app, and thanks to Files you've got access to downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, apps, and internal storage. Also you can go to Nearby Share function, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files. Next you can use Clean function to clean junk files from your smartphone, and if your app is updated, you can go to Recycle bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.